Hi friends, today I came with a topic free credit score. So basically free credit reports are available from bureaus. So you have to know all these things because it's very important. Usually we have to pay approximately INR 300 rupees, INR 300 to INR 800 rupees for each credit score if you go to any of the credit score bureau. So in India we have four credit score bureaus. One is CIBIL. CIBIL is CIBIL TransUnion, Equifax, Experian and CRIF Highmark. So these are the four. RBI has authorized these four companies to give a credit score for your profile. Hope you understand now what is a credit bureau. So these are the four credit bureaus: CIBIL, Equifax, Experian, CRIF Highmark. So only these four companies has the right to provide any kind of loans based on your credit score. So these four credit rating agencies help us to know any individual how good his credit score is. So if you go for any loans, any housing loan, any kind of loan, the banks will check through these bureaus. So let's move on to the next slide. So what is credit score? As banks, part of their investigation process or due diligence process to give you any loan, they perform this credit check. So this will help to know how much salary, how much income you are getting monthly, and what is your spend. Do you have any loan on you or not? And this CIBIL report is updated on a monthly basis by all the credit agencies, and this is basically to help all the banks to, before dispatching any loans, that the person will able to pay back them or not, and what is this future worthiness for the particular credit score. So if you see this happens in the credit score, and what do high and low credit risk determine. So high and low credit risk determine, if it's a high credit score, it means the person will pay back you back to back with less number of defaults, whereas a low CIBIL score reflects that the person is not have a capability to pay your money back. So that is the problem if you have a low CIBIL score. If you have a high CIBIL score, no problem, you will get the loan immediately. So hope you understand what is a credit score and what is the high and low credit scores determined. So the credit score is break up in these four categories. One is the credit exposure, so which consists of around 25% of this, and payment history should be a 30% payment history, like credit score, like a credit card bill, your loan bills, are you paying on time or not. So the banks keep a watch on all of your purchases and all of your EMIs, so they ensure that you pay back on time. These are the credit type and the duration. So for example, you have taken a short duration loan or you have taken a long duration loan, are you able to pay back on time? For that they have put 25% of score here. So for example, from the 1000, if you get 800, it means it's a mixture of this 100%. So usually bank checks on these four parameters. So credit exposure, payment history, credit type and duration, and other factors. So from 1000, if you get 800 plus or 750 plus, is a good score to give you a loan. But anything which less than 500, banks usually does not allow quick loans to them. So that is the credit score, what it actually stands for. So now I will help you to know how you will get the free credit score. So how you will get the free credit score? You have to come to the website called Paisabazaar.com. So this is the Paisabazaar website.com. I will mention in my description also, so that you can copy and paste quickly. So in the Paisabazaar website, as you log in, you will see these kind of details like male, female, full name, date of birth, pin code, PAN number, email address, mobile number, And if you want any regular update, you can mention here yes or no. If you want, you can say keep it checked, but if you don't want any WhatsApp update further, you can switch off this. And here you have to tick that you are allowing the Paisabazaar to receive any credit information from CIBIL, Equifax, Experian and CRIF Highmark, which I told you earlier. These bureaus will send your monthly update to Paisabazaar, and Paisabazaar will send you a monthly update on to your registered email ID, which is free of cost. So you will be able to get your free CIBIL score. Okay, so first you have to select your gender. If you are a male or a boy, you have to select male. If you are a female or a girl, then you have to select female. Then you have to enter the full name as per your bank records and PAN card. Either of it you can enter the name here, but don't put any name by your choice, because it will not match with the records and you will not get your CIBIL score. Date of birth. Date of birth you have to put in DD, YY format. Means, for example, if your birth is 01, means date is 01, month is January 01, and your year is 1920. So 91920 you have to enter here. If it's not complete, it will not allow you to go to the next step. Then you have to enter the PIN code. PIN code, for example, in the bank, if you have entered a PIN code on 560051, so you have to put the same PIN code here, and you have to enter the PAN number. This PAN number will be a 10-digit PAN number. Okay, so please ensure this is as per your PAN card what you have received. And this is the email ID. You have to enter the email ID which you have registered with the bank, so that they can match with your database quickly. If it is not there, you can enter any of the email IDs. That's not a problem. Then you have to enter the mobile number. The minute you will enter the mobile number, please recheck and verify the mobile number what you are entering. You only have the access of the mobile number. To check and verify that the mobile number is right and wrong, Paisabazaar will send you one OTP. OTP in this fashion. So you have to verify your mobile number. You have to enter 4-digit OTP which has been sent to your registered mobile number or the number you have entered here. So the minute you have received the OTP, you have to fill it like this. So I received this OTP 5005, so I have entered this and OTP here, and post which the number is verified. So if you want any regular updates from Paisabazaar on your WhatsApp or a credit report on free of cost, you can go and select on this feature, then you will start getting the update. Here you have to confirm them that you are allowing Paisabazaar to receive any information from the credit bureaus. So credit bureaus are CIBIL, Equifax, Experian and CRIF. So these are the 4 credit bureaus which will send the data to Paisabazaar, and Paisabazaar will send the data to you. So this will be free of cost, and monthly basis you will get the free copy of your credit report. So to get your free credit report, click on this icon, get free credit report. So the minute you will click here, it will ask for some 4 more details. So I will just let you know. So they will ask the occupation type. So occupation type, you are salaried, self-employed, or you have your own business. You can select any of the 3, any of the one from the 3, and you have to enter the employer name. If you have an employer name, you can put, or you can just put in a name. That's okay. And you have to put your monthly income. So what is a monthly income? It's 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, whatever it is. If you enter here, it should be an approximate number. It should not be the exact salary what you are getting monthly. So you can put nearby any number, and then you have to click on the view report. The minute you will click on the view report, your CIBIL score will come out. So I will show you in the next slide how it will come. It will come like this. So my CIBIL score is like this, 862. So this is a CIBIL score what I get. So banks will allow me. So the more near to your green color, you will get the loan quickest possible. If you are in orange, still you will get, there is no problem. But if you fall towards this red line, then it's problem. Then banks will perform high due diligence before dispatching or providing any loan to you. So if you are in orange and green, no problem, you will get the loans quicker. But if you come into the red zone, then it's difficult for banks, and banks will verify and investigate matter and will take time to disperse the loan. So I received the report from Experian. You can see this Experian company name here, and I have received from CRIF. So these two company data I have received for free of cost from 4 credit agencies. So for Experian and CRIF I got, you may get from all the 4, depend on your profile. And here you can click on download to download your report. So your entire detailed credit report will be there. So I cannot show you the credit report because of some government regulation guidelines, so we cannot show you. So you can download it and you can see it. But once you download it, one is you will get your credit copy on your registered email ID with a password, and the password combination is different for each credit bureau. So to open the credit score, enter the password properly. So this is a free credit score which is available. If you want to buy directly from bureau, it will cost you from INR 300 to 800, varies bureau to bureau. Cost mentioned is just for reference cost. For actual cost, please refer bureau website. So actual cost will be mentioned on the bureau website. If you want to buy a commercial copy of this, you can go to any of the bureau site which I shared, like CIBIL, Experian, CRIF Highmark. So any of the 4 bureaus you can select. So this is the way you can get your free credit score. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. Please click the subscriber button to get a free copy, to get free CIBIL score for yourself. Hope you will be happy getting a free CIBIL score.